Speaking of DIY, one thing you might want to DIY is your very own MagSafe Duo charger. Now, Apple, they put out the little folding Duo charger in order to do the watch and the phone, and it was meant to be portable. It's $130, and it doesn't really prop up your device at all. And it's kind of a little bit flimsy. Like it'll work on your bedside table, but it really feels more like a portable device for travel than it does for a permanent fixture because it's a soft texture. It's just, I don't know why they made that particular decision for their dual charger. There's some really nice designs that exist out there. But anyway, they went with this and they charged $129 for it. And so obviously some people are not satisfied with that. Now, Belkin, they put out a sort of a stand unit, which is more in line with what you might expect to set at your bedside table. And it was going to be capable of interacting with MagSafe. It's none of these. You may have to go to their website because it's showing a bunch of old ones. And I don't actually know as well if their charge stand is out yet, but it will probably also be expensive. Maybe not $129, but definitely close. And it has a magnetic portion. There it is. It's the Boost Charge Pro 3-in-1 MagSafe. So the name's not helping very much there, but anyway, it's $150. All right, so it's still expensive. In fact, it's more than Apple's charger, but it does look nice, and this will charge 3 devices. So this will charge your AirPods or AirPods Pro. It will charge your phone via MagSafe, iPhone 12, obviously, as you can see in this photo, and your watch on one pedestal-style charger. So anyway, that's an option too, but again, you're spending a lot of money. Now, you may already have a charger for your phone and just want to have the bedside table experience, multi-device experience, and that's where this comes in with the DIY. This is just a 3D printer file that provides you with a spot to slip the wireless charge disc, the MagSafe disc, for the iPhone 12. Now that thing, I don't know, is like $39 or something, way cheaper. And your Apple Watch already comes with a charger, so the Apple Watch brick or puck fits on the other side over there.
That's pretty nice.
That's pretty well done.
Yeah.
And
it's very sleek.
You really haven't invested very much other than your time because you're going to have to run the file on your 3D printer and probably sand it down depending on what you're using. But you're way less money there. The MagSafe charger is $39. The dual charger is going to cost, this little 3D printed situation is definitely going to be a lot less than another $100. It's not going to cost you that for the raw material. Like I said, it's just going to be your time. And you may end up with something that you like better than what Apple's currently offering, which is the more portable option. This is obviously expected to be more permanent. But the printer or the file is available to you if you have a 3D printer. But I'm sure if you don't have a 3D printer, you'll probably see designs like this popping up on Etsy relatively soon.
Right.
And you can probably pick one up for less than $129 or $150 if you do that as well.